Hi guys, how are you today? Hope you are doing fine. Today I will be showing you how to use GMB Google Maps Scraper, this powerful tool in finding leads for business. This is a game changer for lead generation, especially for online business, an essential tool for marketing and sales. To know more about this tool, please watch this video until the very end. Let us start. Set up a new Chrome profile by clicking the current user, which by the way is not yet signed in by any account. Click Add, then type your preferred account name, choose any of those photo. You can replace it eventually with your personal photo and click Add. You already have an account in Chrome. Click Get Started and just skip options it shows in setting up further your account. Do not log into any Gmail account on the new profile to avoid verifications or CAPTCHAs. You see that the current user is already changed after I made a new account. Next step is to install the tool to the Chrome browser. Go to the location from where you saved the downloaded zip file to install the tool. To extract the file, right-click and then click Extract here. A separate folder will appear where the installation file is located. To install the extension on your Chrome browser, let us go back to the Chrome browser, go Customize and Control Google Chrome, click More Tools, then Extensions. Next, switch to Developer Mode so you can install the tool. We are almost done installing. Lastly, click Load Unpacked to open the installation file of Google Maps Business extension. Locate the file and open all folders until you can see installation file. Google Maps Scraper is already installed. Let us try using this extension and see if this really is working. First, click the extension that can be seen on the upper right corner of the browser. After you open, you will be asked to enter a valid license key which can be bought from the website. If the license key is already available, you need to click Validate to use the extension. Once you installed the extension and is ready to use, open the tool and click the highlighted words or the hyperlink this page. This action is a must to use the tool properly. You will be redirected to Google Maps directly. To search for a place, a business, or any landmark type in the place you want to find. It is best if you include the city and country in searching, and you must be more specific as to the place you want to search to get accurate and reliable results, since almost all of the places are already available in Google Maps. After entering the location, for example in this video, I chose to search for a restaurant in New York, so after I enter it, the results were found below the search bar. The results that appear on the first page are the businesses that are given high rating by Google and with reviews from people or customers who seem to have experienced going to the place. Just scroll down to look for other business with high ratings. If you want to see details, just click the business name. So after seeing the results, click the arrow toward the right side to see the next page of the results until it brings down to the last page of it. Every page shows 20 businesses maximum. As you click the arrow to the next page, the tool scraped each items of the current page you are in, so if you click the arrow 5 times, then you will have more or less 100 items or businesses that are scraped by the tool. But let me remind you that you must open the tool for every 100 businesses you scraped until it reaches 500-600 items. The total leads that you scraped are shown on the top part of the tool, and scroll down to see for the business names of each one. Once you reach that number, you have to click Export CSV and then Download as CSV. To open the file, just click the CSV file. A spreadsheet will come out showing different sorts of information. Data are interpreted that shows information automatically organized according to the specifics. You may stretch out each column and rows to see the full details of the file. Among others are business name, social media links like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube are just some, contact numbers, business address, emails, websites connected to the business. These are all important information and can be considered as business leads. All of these information can be used for lead generation and other business marketing strategies. I believe this tool is great help for business searching for potential customers and other business prospects. Excel files will be downloaded on your computer, which you can also save it in your Google Drive. One great thing about this tool is that it is not limited only to 600 items, but you can actually scrape up to how many times in a day. You just have to do the steps again and again in order to get the desired number of leads you want to scrape. After discussing about the information from the downloaded file, I will try to scrape again and see if it really works. So I will scrape again restaurants, but with a different location. Let's say, for example, restaurants in Texas. So again, you will do all the steps that I told you until it's time to export all information, but we will not go through it again since I already showed you how. This is just to show you that this extension really works, even if you use it for a lot of times in a day, and still it generates the same accurate and reliable leads. This tool makes things easier and convenient for you. You see that all the information presented are all useful when it comes to finding leads and potential customers, and in the long run, GMB Google Maps Scraper is an essential to all businesses. This ends my video. May this video make things clearer and helpful for you, and you will have an idea how to make money online. Thank you for watching and have a great day.